Welcome to my YouTube channel, EG Speak Learner. Goa Institute of Management Placements hit 35 LPA as CAT applications deadline ends today. The MBA admission season in India is currently at its peak with thousands of aspirants finalizing their choices for the next academic year. For students targeting premier management institutes, the next few weeks are decisive. Amidst this flurry of activity, the Goa Institute of Management (GIM) has issued a crucial update that affects a large section of the applicant pool. The institute has announced that the deadline for students applying via the Common Admission Test (CAT) is December 23, 2025. This deadline is particularly significant because it serves as a hard stop for CAT-based applications. While the journal admissions window remains open slightly longer, the opportunity to leverage CAT 2025 scores for a seat at JIM closes strictly on this date, as the institute revealed its impressive placement figure for the ongoing session, including a highest package of 35 LPA. The rush to secure a spot in the 2026-28 batch has intensified. Critical dates for admission understanding for the admission timeline is vital for candidates to ensure they do not miss out on their preferred specialization. The most urgent date on the calendar is December 23, 2025. This is the final cutoff for submitting application if a candidate intends to use their CAT 25 2025 score. Applicants should note the consequences of missing this window. Post December 23, students planning to apply to the Goa Institute of Management will no longer be able to use their CAT results. After this cutoff, the Institute of consider only applicants with valid XAT 2026 or GMAT scores. For those relying on XAT or GMAT or those who submit their CAT-based applications in time, the final closure of the admission process for the academic year is scheduled for January 2026. This narrow window between the CAT deadline and the final closure leaves very little room for delay, urging serious aspirants to complete their formalities immediately. Strong placement season performance. The urgency to apply is driven largely by the robust placement statistics emerging from the current placement season for the 2024-2026 batch. The institute has reported strong growth in compositions compensation packages, reinforcing its position as a top destination for management education. The headline figure for this session is the highest package of 35 LPA recorded for students in the PGDM and PGDM Big Data Analytics program. What stands out this year is not just the highest number, but the volume of high volume offer. A key highlights of the current placements season is the 14 students secured top offers with 6 receiving rupees 35 LP packages and 8 receiving 33 LP packages from manager recruiters. Beyond the top tiers offers, placement consistency is reflected in the pre-placed offers (PPOs). In the SCORE PGDM program, 20% of the students have already received PPOs, indicating strong industry confidence in the talent pool even before the final placement week concludes. The average package for the PGDM program currently stands at a healthy 16.6 LPA. Major recruiters who have participated in the hiring process for the core PGDM program include industry leaders such as SAP, Z&Z, ABC, Geostar, Signify, and Modi. Programs and eligible criteria. Candidates interested in joining the 2026-28 cohort can choose from the institutes for distinct full-time residential program PGDM Big Data Analytics, PGDM Healthcare Management, and PGDM Banking, Insurance, and Financial Services. To be eligible for admission, applicants must meet specific academic and entrance test requirements. The primary academic requirement is minimum of 15 aggregates in the student's bachelor degree. Additional candidates must have taken or appeared for any one of the following competitive examinations. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and video. Subscribe this channel for more videos.